Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting straight into diagnostics. Open settings and search battery, or use the phone dialer code if your OEM provides one. Once done, plug in the original charger so readings are stable, and unlock the screen to prevent sleep. Make sure you note the model, Android version, and listed battery capacity, because these numbers matter for later comparisons and expected wear percentages. You now inspect detailed stats. Open battery usage to identify excessive app drains and screen-on time, because that reveals current load versus idle. Then, if comfortable, use ADB to pull battery history and the battery usage stats dump. This shows charge cycles and voltage trends. Once you have logs, compare the measured current capacity against the original MA to quantify wear and predict remaining lifespan. You finish by calculating battery health. Divide current measured MA by the original MA and multiply by 100 to get a percentage, because that single number tells you practical condition. If values seem inconsistent, make sure to retest after a full charge and one normal discharge cycle to stabilize readings. If health is 80% or lower, or you see frequent shutdowns, replace the battery. If data collection fails, reboot and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.